जिंदगी की ट्यूनिंग दिन चक है, फिदा करने वाला तेरा इम्पैक्ट है। जिंदगी की ट्यूनिंग दिन चक है, फिदा करने वाला तेरा इम्पैक्ट है। तेरे पास एक हसीन गर्लफ्रेंड है, गाड़ी शादी तेरे पास हाइड है। तेरे पास एक हसीन गर्लफ्रेंड है, गाड़ी शादी तेरे पास हाइड है। वो सारा तू है लाखों का, स्वागत तेरा है लाखों का। चल तू top of the town है, तो फिर तेरी बात लेके down है, तेरी बात लेके down। तू तो top of the town है, तेरी बात लेके down है।
Any photo there? First of all, very good evening to everyone over here. And I was also very, very entertained hearing all the jokes, man. You're outstanding. Really, I didn't know you look like that, but that's the only thing I was trying to put a face to you, and I was like, who is this guy? He's so funny, and there's so many women in the audience, and you were only ripping at them, and you're enjoying it so much. No, but first, very good evening to all of y'all, and thank you for gathering over here. Thank you, all of y'all, and he was just saying that I'm so, they only want to take pictures with y'all, but I just want to tell y'all all his pet name. Do y'all know what his pet name is?
This is?
What? Tan. Yeah, so I think we should just, can we call you Tan? Or?
Sure.
I know he's the vice president, but can we still call you Tan?
Yeah.
Okay, so Tan is with us, and he's really cool. So should we start with the questions?
Yeah. Now, since this was not part of the script, I decided to change some questions and make it tough for Varun. I think the first question to you is about your association with Pond's, and what do you think about your association with the brand Pond's?
See, first of all, obviously Pond's is a brand that's been in all our lives, and we've all been hearing about it and seeing it since, probably for me, since I'm a little kid and stuff. I've been seeing all these beautiful women always in the ads, and though I love all that, I think it's high time that Pond's went out there and made something for men. And any man who disagrees about skincare, I think that's a little lame, because I think in today's day and age, in the time of pollution that we face, or the type of lives that we have running around, everyone must have really had a hard journey coming here from wherever they must be, unless they live in the hotel, but I doubt that. But so I think you do need a face wash, you do need a moisturizer. So and I'm man enough to admit it that, you know, I do use one. And 3 months back when Pond's came into my life, and I did try, I told you, I did try it, and it honestly does work. I guarantee it. I'm not trying to be a salesman. I'm not trying to pitch it to anyone, but I honestly do believe in this product, and I'm very proud of it, and I'm very proud to get it out there, and for everyone to catch the TVC as well, which we worked really hard on.
Yeah, so one of the things that, since he revealed the nickname, etc., the secret about signing on someone like Varun is that if he doesn't like the product, he doesn't endorse it. So actually it'd be great if you can explain to everybody the product you tried and why you felt so passionate about it to join us.
Since I became an actor, actually there was another cosmetic product that did come to me some time back, and I didn't believe in it, so I didn't end up doing it. But this came in and stuff like that, and I was very, I was never scared of endorsing a face care product, but I had certain things that it should work at least, you know. I think these things should work at least. And I even told you, I remember that, you know, someone asked me, what do you think that works? And I was like, you know, long time back, someone had told me use Multani Mitti. And that is something that I did try, and I like, dude, that actually works. It's pretty good for the skin, and it did work. So I'll say that that does work. And when I did try the Pond's face wash, you actually get revitalized. The way I explained it was differently. I like, usually when you brush your teeth in the morning and you feel like that minty sensation or whatever, you feel awake. It's the same way, it's almost like brushing your face, because it almost like wakes you up that minute. It's not like you're going to go and start doing like 10 push-ups or something, but it does, like, it gives you that kick. So even if you miss your morning coffee, as long as you do wash your face with this, honestly, you will get that kick and that energy, and that, you know, you'll get into that mode to go out there and face the world.
A linked question, if you look at face care for men in India, what would you advise as a simple regimen that they should follow?
See, honestly, according to me, I think one thing, at least in Mumbai, if you're living in Mumbai and it's so hot right now in the city and stuff like that, that everyone's face does end up burning if you're standing in the sun. At least for me, because I'm shooting and stuff, or if you have any shows and stuff going on. So what you do need is a face wash which will remove all your dirt and re-energize you if you're having longer days. Since people are not only having the 8-hour days anymore, we're having like 10-hour days or 12-hour days or whatever. You finish this work and you go, you meet your friends, you go out. So every day is like you have to look bright enough, you have to be appealing enough, especially in our field. I mean, our field as in all of us over here, because we are meeting people. You have to be a people's person for that. So I think you need a face wash. I think the product is a very evolved product, as in it's keeping with today's day and age. Probably this wasn't the demand 10 years back. But in today's day and age, I think we do need a product which has this energy, because the working days have gotten longer.
So while I've asked all the serious questions and he's been able to explain it, there's another aspect to Varun which we figured out when he shot for us, that on the sets he's actually quite a riot, and therefore it'd be great to see you try and explain what happened behind the scenes.
I think more than me explaining, I think there is a AV, so I think let them just see the AV and figure out, but I haven't done anything. I'm actually very professional on set. Tan, this misconception that you're creating. Please see it. This TVC is going to be out June 1st.
Yeah.
June 1st, yes.
And Varun's also done something very special for us, which all of us know that he's a brilliant dancer. So you will see something on Pawns which is very different, which we'll unveil later, but you will catch it on YouTube.
All right, but I'm standing right next to you and I realize you're damn good looking.
Okay, now is our time.
I'm just going to call up my wife and tell her it's time to leave her. But look, sorry. But look, there was a lot of games and stuff like that which everyone enjoyed, right? Like everyone had a great time, yeah? Yeah, come on, recharge. And there were 3 people who showed an immense amount of energy, 3 bloggers who just shown out there and have been selected for the Indian cricket team. So we just like to bring these 3 lovely people on stage. Can you, with a round of wonderful applause, bring on Jeremy Cabral, everyone, come on. Amandeep. There you are. I presume it's the Sardar gentleman. And of course, Garima Chandra, wherever you are, please come on stage. Do not be shy. A round of applause for these lovely people. Come on. Congratulations to our 3 lovely winners. Thank you guys. A round of applause. It's a gold brick. Please enjoy it. While the gold prizes are there, please, you can. We have one more thing which we want to do now. Now, obviously, I'm sure everyone in the crowd has a few questions, so we thought we'll just open it out to some questions from the media. So if anyone has any questions, please raise your hands. Don't be shy, all right? Wonderful gentleman right here. Yes, sir, what's your question?
Raj here. This is for Varun.
Sir, don't worry, we'll have a lot of photo op opportunities. We'll just do 2-3 questions and we're done. Ek light chal, sir. Light nahi ho sakta.
हाँ बट अच्छा थोड़ा वो रेड लाइट है वो थोड़ा कम कर दो ना. ब्लू लाइट चलेगा? नहीं उन लोगों को नॉर्मल लाइट चाहिए. ब्राइट नॉर्मल लाइट लगा दो. येलो. ये अभी कोई मेरे को कोई नहीं दिख रहा.
This is the toughest part. Really the toughest part. you'll have to figure out when you want to. No, yeah, because he's given it for pose, for the pose. So you take it back.
Congratulations.
On the right.
Sorry.
Yeah, Varun.
sir.
Congratulations to you. I'm Raj, and I'd like to ask you that how do you keep your skin healthy, and what's the style mantra?
I think the simplest thing to keep your skin healthy, I think, is one, obviously drink a lot of water in the city that we live in and the type of environment we live in. And I think nowadays you can have a lot of coconut water as well. Otherwise, use a face wash. Primarily, obviously, use Pond's men's face wash. Simple uses, and after you do use a face wash, make sure you do use a moisturizer as well. And my skin is oily, so I do use a oil-free moisturizer.
Any more questions? This lovely lady here.
Hi, Varun.
How are you, Malini? How's it going?
Very good. Are you guilty of ever stealing a girlfriend's beauty products and using it on yourself?
I did actually, no, not a girlfriend's, but I had gone somewhere. Okay, screwed, I can say it actually. I had a hickey once and I'd gone for some family function, and I had to use one of my cousin sister's concealers to hide it because the whole family was out there.
That's awesome. Thanks.
It's a wonderful plot, by the way. It's like, yeah. Any other questions?
So
Anyone?
Varun, over here. Yeah.
Oh, you
to
got
your right.
extra mic.
Here, Varun.
Hi, what's up?
Yeah, you're looking great, man.
Thank you.
So Varun, normally the kind of things family popular about men is that they need to just look rough, tough, and stronger. So with the kind of the survey we just got to know from the tan side was like that. So is it like that the thing has been changed about the men, so that they need to just look softer man?
I don't think that much has changed. I think what has changed is probably like pollution levels have gone up. Stuff around us has changed. There are more cars on the road today, so there's anyway your skin is getting damaged by a whole lot of stuff that used to not be there earlier, you know. Otherwise, I don't know about soft and all this, but I think what does matter is that at the end of the day that you look your best. Like if suppose you have like a 12-hour sleep or like a 10-hour proper sleep, then you will look bright and awake and, you know, energized and well rested. But sometimes you don't get that time. You get only like 6 hours sleep or 4 hours sleep. So then what do? If you have a presentation in the morning, or you have to get to your job, or you have like some proposal, or you have something or the other work the next day. So you still need to look bright on your face and still need to look like you're still at your A game and looking your best. So at that time, I think then you need a face wash. So I think that's why these things are there.
Let's have one more question from the gentleman at the back. Let's give some attention to the people out here as well. Yes, sir. What's your name? She wants to know. Okay.
Okay, hi Varun. Just wanted to know your experience. You worked in a show which is probably based on Punk, the Hindi version of it.
Huh.
So just wanted to know your experience.
It wasn't on me, so it was pretty good. I think who it was on, they were not very happy, but it was cool. I think it's a little different than Punked. It's changed. It's pretty much that the people who are involved in it, they only handle the show. So I actually haven't seen the footage that will come out. So I think once I see it, I'll be able to tell you how enjoyable it will be or no.
मिस्टर सुंदरम आपसे एक सवाल जानना चाहेंगे कि ये जो फेस श्वेताब एबीपी न्यूज़ से ये स्किन केयर जो प्रोडक्ट है इसका मार्केट कितना बड़ा है और कितने करोड़ का दाम आपने वरुण पे लगाया हुआ है?
I think the bigger question is not about how big the market is. तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कि ये एक सेगमेंट ग्रो कर रहा है और इसमें more users लाने की जरूरत है. So the bigger impetus is on how do we grow this category, and anything in skin care tends to be very large and tends to explode in very short period of time. And as a brand like Pond's, which has international credentials, which has equity in face care, we believe the time is now right for us to grow this market. तो the सवाल जो आपका है उसका मैं सीधा जवाब इसलिए नहीं दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैच्योर कैटेगरीज में एक एम्बिशन हो सकता है कि आप कहें कि इतना मुझे शेयर चाहिए, पर ये ऐसे कैटेगरीज हैं जहाँ पे एम्बिशन आप खुद सेट कर सकते हो और वहाँ पहुँच सकते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन गेटिंग द राइट लेवल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट बिहाइंड इट, एंड मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली getting products that truly work for men. And Trust me, I've interacted with Varun for a long time today. वो जो कहते हैं on the product is his consumer feedback, and if we get many more people like Varun adopting it and really trying this product because it is different, we will make the market size that we want it to be and not start playing ourselves in a very narrowly defined market.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, sorry, that is the end of the Q&A. Thank you so much for all your questions tonight. And also, can we have a round of applause for Mr. Sundaram? Come on, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the very, very wonderful Mr. Varun Dhawan. A round of applause for this lovely gentleman. Come on. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. And also, the cocktails and dinner are being served outside, so please go out there and get drunk and don't drive after that. Thank you so much for coming out, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful evening. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys, have fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, the bar has also been switched open. Please go to the bar and get yourself the drinks. Thank you.
जिंदगी की ट्यून इंडियन चक है